Hey there, welcome back. Today we're unlocking a powerful and dark psychological secret that will make someone chase you desperately, like a moth drawn to a flame. Now, this is not for the faint-hearted. If you're ready to flip the script, to become someone who no one can resist and everyone wants to chase, then keep watching. This isn't about playing games. This is about mastering your own emotional power. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Stop chasing. Start pulling back. Let's start with the most critical step in flipping the power dynamic. Stop chasing. Right now, you might be putting in all your energy, texting, calling, showing up, hoping that someone will finally give you the attention you deserve. But the more you chase, the more they run. It's like trying to catch a butterfly. The more you reach out, the further it slips away. So, here's what you need to do. Pull back. Stop trying to get their attention. Stop initiating contact. Just vanish, even if just for a while. Let them feel your absence. Because the moment you stop giving, they'll start wondering where you've gone. That shift in energy is what draws them in. They'll feel the loss, and before they know it, they'll be chasing you. Step 2. Use silence as your secret weapon. Now, this step is crucial. Silence is your power. Silence isn't just about ignoring them. It's about using your absence as a tool to create intrigue. When you stop pouring your energy into someone, they start feeling it. You've created a void, and they'll want to fill it. When they reach out, don't rush to explain yourself. A simple, short response like, "I've just been busy with other things," will do. You don't need to give them a play-by-play of your life. In fact, the less you say, the more they'll wonder about you. Curiosity is a powerful motivator. When you don't share everything, they'll begin to overthink. They'll start wondering, what's going on in their life? Why aren't they available like they used to be? And that curiosity, that gap in their knowledge, will pull them closer. The less you reveal, the more they crave. Step 3. Reflect back their energy, the psychological mirror. One of the most powerful things you can do is reflect their own emotional energy back at them. If they pulled away or distanced themselves, now it's your turn to mirror that same energy. You stop being emotionally available. You stop chasing. You start living your life confidently, unbothered by their absence. This creates a psychological shift in them. They'll start to see the difference in you. The person they once took for granted is now the person they can't seem to understand. They'll wonder, what happened to them? Why are they so different now? It's a form of emotional justice. By mirroring their distance, you've created emotional space. They'll start to feel the sting of rejection, and it will drive them crazy. Step 4. Use social media as a mystery puzzle. Social media isn't just a place to post pictures. If used strategically, it can be an emotional weapon. But here's the trick. You must keep your life a mystery. Don't overshare. Don't flood your feed with constant selfies or status updates. Instead, curate your posts to leave them wanting more. Share glimpses of your life, maybe a photo of a sunset, an adventure you're on, a picture of you out with friends, but leave out the details. Make them wonder. The key is to show just enough to make them think, what's going on? What are they up to? Every time they scroll past your profile, they'll be reminded that you have a life they no longer have access to. The mystery you create will keep them coming back for more, checking in on you, wondering if they've missed something important. They'll be drawn to you, but never fully satisfied. Step 5. Focus on your success. Build the life they'll regret losing. Here's the real game changer. Focus on your success. It's time to pour all your energy into yourself, your goals, your career, your passions, your personal development. It's not about proving anything to them. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. As you start achieving things, whether it's a promotion at work, a new hobby, or a new sense of confidence, the word will get out. Through mutual friends or social media, they'll start hearing about your success. And here's the truth. Success is the best revenge. When they see you thriving without them, it will hurt. It will remind them of everything they've lost. They'll start to realize they let go of someone special, someone who was capable of so much more than they ever recognized. They'll start to chase you, but now you're no longer the person who needs them. You've built something they can't touch. Step 6. Become the reconstructed version of yourself. This is where the real transformation happens. Become the person they never saw coming. You're no longer the same person they once rejected. You've leveled up in every sense. You've grown emotionally, mentally, and perhaps even physically. You've built a new identity, a stronger, more magnetic version of yourself. This version of you is not available for their half-hearted attention. You've become someone who respects themselves too much to accept anything less than genuine, wholehearted affection. When they see you thriving, independent, and self-assured, it will feel like they're looking at a stranger, a version of you they can't touch. Step 7. Create and enforce emotional boundaries. Finally, set emotional boundaries. When they inevitably reach out again, testing the waters, don't give in. Don't fall back into old patterns of explanation or waiting. You've made the transformation, and now it's time to make it permanent. By not reacting the way you used to, you're teaching them a final lesson. You're not a backup plan, and you're not an option. You've moved on, and they're no longer welcome to re-enter your life without proving they deserve a place in it. This boundary is powerful. It's not just physical, it's emotional. It's the final nail in the coffin that says, I've moved on. You've set the standard for how you want to be treated, and anyone who falls short of that will be left behind. They'll feel the weight of your absence and your decision, and that realization will haunt them. Conclusion. And there you have it. These 7 psychological steps: pulling back, using silence, reflecting their energy, curating mystery, building success, transforming into a new version of yourself, and setting emotional boundaries, will not only turn the tables, but they will make them chase you. This process isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about embracing your own power, becoming someone who knows their worth, and making them realize that you're no longer the person they can take for granted. So if you're ready to take back control and turn the tables, these are the steps you need to follow. Focus on yourself, grow into the person they never expected, and watch as they desperately try to win you back. The more you become your true self, the more they'll crave your attention. And remember, the moment you embrace your worth, you stop chasing, and they start chasing you.